Just arrived and prepared for takeoff is the all-new 2018 Toyota Highlander. This one is a hybrid limited platinum, the Mac Daddy. Minimal to no changes for 2018 other than a new color in the mix. It was just refreshed this year, 2017 model. Standard features include LED taillights, 18-inch wheels, backup camera. This particular model, the hybrid, gets an average of 29 miles per gallon combined. Standard safety features include lane departure warning, adaptive cruise, and auto emergency braking. You know what that means. Truly exceptional discounts and incentives on outgoing 2017 models, which we have several. Visit us online at toyotaofplano.com or come see us today.